Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is a product I ordered from Amazon. It's a Therapeutic Chinese cupping equipment. Let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I already cut it up on this side. So go ahead and open up the box. Comes with another box with some air right on. Hopefully that's healthy. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. Get a smaller box. Okay, let's see, get a scissors or something. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, right, here we go. I ordered this 3 days ago. It took 3 days for it to get delivered. So, you open up the box, you get a nice little thing in here. Cupping TM Wearhouse. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what's inside. This product was on a decent price range. There's at least, I think there was 20 pieces inside or something like that. So and they're not glass, they're hard plastic. I guess it's a safe hard plastic so you can wash and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, that's all you get. Different size cups. Over here there's smaller ones. They're plastic. So you get them like this. The pump there. The pump. Plastic. Let's see what the pump looks like. Some information about the cupping set. I guess this is just like a plastic. Doesn't feel very heavy duty at all. Nozzles for it. You get a couple of these black tips. Got the manual with it, tell you what to do, and yeah, there you go guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. There's the small ones right here. Not bad. We're gonna put this product into some testings and we're gonna find out if it actually works. I usually would prefer the glass over the plastic, 100%, but I thought I'll give this a try and do a review, and we'll see how it will work. So yeah, there you go guys. That's what it looks like. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe, like, comment what you'd like to see maybe in the future, give tips. If you guys have any tips on how to use this kind of stuff, because I've never used it before, it's gonna be my first time, so it's experimental. Yeah, there you go guys. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.